Now, if you're anything like me, when you come across something that just doesn't make sense, you like try to test it out, see if it works for yourself. Kind of like when I came across a little something on Wikipedia that said children from 6 to 12 cannot hear anything from 12 to 18 hertz. And we adults, they say that we can't hear anything above 18 hertz. So I'm here with the Subsonic MANIAC outside. We got her all running up, warming up. Let's go put this rumor to the test, shall we? First subsonic test at 12 cycles. I don't know about you guys, but I can hear that. It's actually shaking the camera right now. I can see it shaking the camera. I can definitely hear that. Over the microphone, you can obviously hear that. I can hear it sitting right here. So let's go to what they say 12-year-olds start being able not to hear. We're gonna go up to 16 hertz. Oh yeah. I can hear it. That was 16 hertz, and I could feel it in my ears, not only my body. I could freaking hear it. So we're already debunking the fact that adults can't hear subsonic frequencies. As long as you got the MANIAC bass, you're all set. So let's continue on for all the adults watching. We're gonna go to 18 hertz. Even louder than before. So much for Wikipedia having all the straight facts, you know what I'm saying? So let's go to concrete it, let's go to 20 hertz. Now what it says that we start to taper off with all hearing as far as humans above 20 years old. Let's hear it, guys. Wow. Wikipedia, get your facts straight. Bass, 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 bass.